Myntri ka Tnat PHE Marcus Marak ulai thu ba Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Konrad Sangma ulak lum ka Jingïalang ya ka Tnat PHE bat ka Tnat Water Resources banyak kren halor ka Ken Water Supply Scheme apo ka kamra kinhun Myntri ha ka ba mau kum Myntri pat Myntri ka Tnat Water Resources uma coming on ambon ulaya don lang hak rengkat lang bat ki officer ulaya thu baha kajing yalang layak kren hak baya day bat kajing yada ya Tyllong kabadon hawa kedai light kor hak ba dangshen la ka liang Myntri ka water resources hak kajing lit juriep ula lap ba Tyllong hawa kedai kala jabo na kadaw kajing Khlaw bati mau hakate kajaka raya thu baha Jingïalang kabalaya don lang na kaliang PHE Tnat forest bat ka water resources la shim ya karai ban tha ya deputy commissioner ban Tyllong ya Jingïalang pensingau thu ekipaj ba ulai thu ba Jingïalang ban khod the office DC East Khasi Hills in Sadon lang kinong shnong kinong ya lam shnong bat kiwei ki badan kam ban don lang pada kasngi batarik in Tyllong ka shnong ha Jing pen be jong ka office DC lano kan khod ya kene Jingïalang.
Yes, today we had a meeting in the cabinet room chaired by Honorable Chief Minister, where myself and Makaming, Water Resources Minister, attended. This is regarding the water supply, Ken Water Supply Scheme, uh, regarding protection of water source at Wakdait Light Core. So, Honorable Minister Water Resources, last time he inspected the source there and found that the water source has been disturbed by the sand mining, stone quarrying, etc. So that is the reason why today Honorable Chief Minister has called this meeting, where all the departments related to this water source has been called. Officers from PHE, water resources, forest department has also attended. So in the meeting, it has come to the conclusion that the stakeholders will be called for the meeting at the level of DC. So DC will be initiating the meetings with all the stakeholders there, including the stone quarrying people. So along with the Rangbah and headmen of that locality. So that decision has been taken, and as per the provisions of the forest and water source protection, steps will be taken. But first, the meeting will be held along with the stakeholders, Rangbah, and decision will be taken later on.
When will this meeting be held, sir?
That will depend on the deputy commissioner on the convening of their the thing with other departments.
So then, is the government looking at prohibiting all this quarrying and mining in those particular areas to protect the resources?
We'll check all the options, what has to be done, because we need to protect the river, this sources also. Otherwise, we will be facing lots of difficulties in near future. So we'll have to check the options, what we can do, how we can go about. We cannot ignore the people. We have to consult them. We have to consult and we have to talk to them, and then we will have to make them understand and how we have to move. We'll think of the steps, necessary steps after the meetings.
Is government also planning to come up with alternative livelihood for such people engaging in science?
Every option is being studied. So once detailed studies are completed, we'll be able to know what are the options that we can follow.
So earlier there was a Catchment Protection Act also to protect these sources. So is that law being implemented to protect the sources?
Yes, there are catchment area protection acts also. We are trying to find out the options of that also, but consulting with the stakeholders, all the Rangbah headmen there. We will consult everyone. We'll make them understand, and accordingly we'll decide.